Welcome back to WNEP's Power to Save here at the picturesque and most beautiful setting at Naog Park here in Scranton. We continue our look at the Power to Save, and we're going to turn our minds towards electric uses. Here's PPL Electric Utilities with some information for small and large businesses.
As they say, time is money, and that is particularly true for all businesses, small and large. Not taking time to make sure your business is energy efficient can also cost money, and if overlooked for too long, can cost lots. With me today to discuss how businesses can save is Ray Murphy, manager of major accounts from PPL Electric Utilities, which serves 1.4 million customers across 29 counties in central and eastern Pennsylvania.
Thanks, Jackie. At PPL Electric Utilities, we believe each of us has the power to make a difference, whether your concern is the bottom line or saving the planet. There are two key ways that businesses and residential customers can manage what they spend on electricity. First is to shop for the best price they can on electricity supply. Second is to use energy wisely.
We discussed shopping prior to the generation rate cap expiration late last year. Can you tell us how it is going and give us a bit of a refresher?
Sure. Pennsylvania is part of a competitive wholesale electricity market in the Mid-Atlantic that is the largest of its kind in the world. Competition, as you know, is the foundation of our economy, and we strongly support choices for our customer. Competition results in better prices, more options, and real innovation for customers in the long term. Pennsylvania law allows customers to pick an electricity provider. That's what electric choice is all about. When you choose an electricity provider, you're choosing a company that either generates your electricity or buys it from a power producer and sells it to you.
And if you do not choose your supplier?
If you don't choose your own supplier, PPL Electric Utilities must buy power for you. But no matter whether you choose a supplier or have PPL Electric Utilities purchase electricity for you, PPL Electric Utilities will continue to deliver your power safely and reliably. That's our job. The first thing you need to know is your price to compare. That's the price you pay PPL Electric Utilities for the power if you don't shop. You can find that by looking at our website, pplelectric.com/choice, or calling our customer contact center at 1-800-DIAL-PPL. Next, see what competitive offers are out there. To compare their prices, visit Pennsylvania Public Utilities website at papowerswitch.com. When you contact a supplier, be sure to understand what you're agreeing to and ask questions.
And what kind of questions should we ask?
Well, this is a contractual agreement, so ask questions to help you understand what you're buying. For example, what's the length of the agreement? Is there a cancellation fee? What happens to the price when the initial term ends? Finally, make sure you're continuing to check your best deal. You can do this as time goes by. When your initial term expires, track how your price changes and be open to other offers.
What kind of response has there been to shopping thus far?
The response has been very positive. Since January, more than 400,000 customers have chosen another supplier. Over 65,000 of them are business customers. The second way customers can have more control over their energy costs is to make sure they get the most out of every kilowatt they use. This holds true not only for business customers, but for residential customers also.
So how does a business owner get started?
First step is to understand how you use electricity. With our Energy Analyzer tool, PPL Electric Utilities customers can maintain a custom profile online and keep track of their individual energy use day by day, hour by hour. They can also get a sense of how weather or business processes affect their overall electricity use. Another option would be to have an energy audit done by a professional.
Now that you have all the information and are starting to understand your energy use, what's the next step?
Next, you develop a plan that will help you take action.
And once you have a plan, what energy-saving opportunities are available? What are some of the actions businesses can take to start saving energy and money now?
Simple things such as turning off lights and other equipment when not in use can really help. Incorporating lighting controls and including daylight and occupancy sensors are also helpful. Occupancy sensors will automatically turn off the lights when no one is present, so you don't have to worry about turning them off. Tightening the building shell is also important, and in fact, is one of the first places businesses should focus on when upgrading an existing facility. You don't want to pay for energy that leaks right out of the building. Plugging these leaks with weather stripping, caulking around the doors and windows, and adding insulation helps keep the building cool in the summer and warm in the winter.
I understand that inefficient lighting can also be a big energy waster.
That's right, Jackie. If you have incandescent light bulbs, replace them with Energy Star qualified CFLs, which cost about 75% less to operate and last about 10 times longer. Replacing magnetic ballasts with electronic ones and upgrading fluorescent tube lighting are also good ideas. And we encourage businesses to install LED exit signs, which can save you $10 per sign annually in electricity costs.
But obviously, lighting is just one area where businesses can save.
As a rule of thumb, Energy Star has become the symbol of efficiency and can be found in more than 60 different product categories, such as computers, printers, copiers, food service equipment, and light commercial HVAC.
HVAC, or heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems, they use a lot of energy, don't they?
Yes, they do. A professional evaluation of a system will help to determine if replacing old, inefficient equipment is necessary. Picking the right size HVAC system for your facility, dividing the facility into multiple zones, adding supplemental dehumidification, and using programmable thermostats so you don't have to heat or cool a space that is unoccupied will all help to reduce your HVAC costs.
So what can you do about existing HVAC systems to make them more energy efficient?
We suggest improving HVAC performance by getting a tune-up, which not only provides good maintenance, but also optimizes the system for energy efficiency. Even a new high-efficiency system can decline in performance if not properly and regularly maintained. Simply replacing or cleaning the filter in your system can help keep it running efficiently. PPL Electric Utilities customers can take advantage of many new e-Power programs that may be able to help them offset the cost of some of these energy efficiency investments that will give them long-term savings. Simply visit www.pplelectric.com/ePower to learn more. Under the ePower links, you can find tools to help you understand your energy use. Then you click on the appropriate icon. For example, small businesses, to find out about programs that can help you save.
Now is a great time to take steps to save for your business or even your home. Thanks, Ray. We really appreciate you taking the time to explain all of this. We really learned a lot.
And there's certainly a lot of information that area businesses can use. Thank you, PPL Electric Utilities. Now, WNEP's Power to Save is going to take a short break, but we'll be back with more from NAIOG Park, so stick around.